let's talk about the importance of post-heating. Post-heating your vinyl wrap is one of the most crucial parts to making your wrap last long term. If you don't do the right post-heating, high chance of failure. Very high chance, actually. Right post-heating and the right prep is going to set you up for a successful wrap install. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit on this van here. Just a little piece of scrap film. I'm going to demonstrate. So this is Arlon's color change wrap film. Premium color change wrap film. So I'm going to lay this down here. So just going to squeegee this very lightly. We got this laid down, but we haven't post-heated it. We've just squeegeed it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post-heat one side and apply pressure with my squeegee as I'm doing that. So we're going to go and we're going to post-heat. Actually, I'm saying go top to bottom. I'm going to go this bottom half, we're going to post-heat. And with Arlon, it's about 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit is what you want to post-heat at. Different brands, different manufacturers will be different post-heat temperatures, so just check with your manufacturer. Okay, now that we've post-heated this, we're going to let it cool for a little bit. Yeah, it's just really hot. We're gonna let it cool down. This is completely cold here, and we've got nice and warm here. So we're gonna let things cool down for a little bit, and then we're gonna show how the difference between post-heating and not post-heating, or post-heating and not post-heating. All right, so now this is cooled down enough that I can demonstrate. So I'm gonna take this top edge, because I didn't squeeze that down. And here we just squeeged it. We didn't do any heating here. As you can tell, that came off fairly easy. Had some tension or some bite, not a lot, right? Especially because this is a really low initial touch film. And then here, you can tell, I don't have to really pull on that. So that right there is the difference between post-heat and pressure. Over here, all I did is lightly squeegee, initially the whole piece. Then I went over the bottom half and post-heated it and squeegeed it down a little bit harder, adding pressure to that adhesive, making it bond. There we go, just like that. So that is the huge difference, and that is what will make a wrap last. So post-heat your wraps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.